इसमें कैमरा लगा होता है भैया? ये ऑन करते हुए होता है?
ऑन है अभी।
अभी ये चल रहा है? अच्छा।
So I've got to be extra careful right now because the roads are all wet, and even though I have the Michelin in my rear, I have still got the Continentals in the front. आंटी रोड के बीच में चल रही हैं, क्या कर रही हैं यार? What is this? Huh? Easy on the curve, easy, or come. By the way, we are heading to Jewar toll. That is the first toll of Yamuna Expressway. We're just going there, just the Harley and me. Oh fuck! A lot of water there. The back slipped a little. Yeah. So we're just gonna grab some breakfast there. By the way, I'm wearing this jacket after a very long time. This is the Revit jacket that I have. I also have the Alpine Star jacket, but this one I wear in the summers because this one is a mesh jacket, and right now it feels wonderful because it has just rained and the wind is really cool right now. So feels really great. The wind is like really strong. It is pushing me left and right. When I left home, I thought this was gonna be a really boring ride because, well, the Yamuna Expressway is straight road, nothing else. All you can do here is drag race. Look at that size of the rear tire, man. It has started raining. This is turning into a rain right now. The wind blast is too high. It's pushing me right and left. Man, this is dangerous. The Harley is all planted to the ground, but my bike is being tossed like a little toy. We're just rushing to get to the breakfast point. I hope my voice recorder is water resistant because this is turning really bad really quick. Man, the wind blast, it just reduced. It's just like you hit a concrete wall right in the front of you. It reduces your speed. But since we're going at such high speeds, it's really hitting me. It's like it's hitting me like small stones. Man, now I'm starting to feel cold. Ouch! Ouch! Fuck! Fuck! Ouch! Fuck! The visibility is really low. Ouch! 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 Now it's really hitting me. Ouch! Man, it's really hard to see right now. Man, arey shit yaar! चड्डी भी गीली हो गई. Fuck! Fuck! This is really hurting, man. I am actually leaned towards the left because the because the wind is pushing me to the right. I'm actually leaning towards the left so that I can go in a straight line. Fuck, we are the only two bikers here. भागो भागो अरे यार So we are finally back on the road and I'm feeling very cold because all my clothes are drenched. This was supposed to be a fun quick ride, but it turned real bad real quick after it started pouring while we were midway on the expressway. And the thing about the expressway is that it's just a straight road with nothing on either side of it for hundreds of kilometers. So we were in the middle of the expressway, about say something like 30-40 kilometers away from the first stoppage, and it started raining cats and dogs. We were caught in between, and we had nowhere to go. We could not stop because there was no point in stopping because there was no shade where we could stand under and protect ourselves. But so we continued on, and as we continued on, it started getting worse and worse, and we couldn't find any shade to stop. So we just powered through. We just went as fast as we could so that we could reach as quickly as possible to the man, I'm shivering. I'm so cold. I'm definitely gonna catch a cold. I'm gonna go home now and get under a blanket. That is if I can make it till home without, So we here are taking a U-turn to get back home now. We paid the toll. Now we're heading home. There's still dark clouds that side. I hope we do not get caught up in the rain again. I mean, look at that, man. I just hope to cross these clouds as fast as I can. So that was the most difficult conditions I've ever ridden a motorcycle in. The wind blast was enormous. It was pushing me to the sides, and the rain was, man, just too much to handle for my bike and for me. It has started raining again, man. फिर से बारिश शुरू हो गई. यार अभी तो सूखा था मैं. Man, it's happening all over again. But this time we're going slow. चड्डी में पानी.